What's up guys, Mr. Neon Lightning here. Going to show you how to clean up your iPhone's junk for 100% free. So guys, let's start. It's a very easy task. Let's begin. First, you need to go to App Store and search in there, and just search in there battery doctor, and just search this, and you see the first app being this one, whatever it is, battery doctor from Beijing King, and just install this app. Okay, so actually this is an app where the hidden feature of cleaning junk is hidden, so please watch this video till end to know how the hidden feature is revealed. So guys, let's wait for this app to install. As you can see, it's installing. Woohoo. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's installing and just a few seconds left. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is installed. Just open this, and you're gonna do what is just wait. Yes, just allow all the notifications and just click OK. So now guys, as you can see below this, what is this, whatever this is, details, below this there is an empty region. Just tap here twice, and now just go home and remove this app, and again go to battery doctor, and now you're gonna click wait and now you're gonna click, oh, this is an ad. Now you're gonna click on the same place twice again, and now go home and remove this. Again open the battery doctor. On an average it just come, yes, as you can see, you see status, charge, memory, junk, more. So go to junk, and you need to clean up cache. Before I clean up cache, I'm gonna show you my storage. Go to general and about, and as you can see, it's written available 4.04 GBs. So guys, come on, let's go here and go to battery doctor and just clean up the cache. Just click clean, and now you're gonna click the done button, and now it is just scanning. Okay guys, so it's it's clean, and it says 219 MB clean. Just click done, and now I'm gonna show you how much it's clean. Just go here, and you see available 4.26 GB, which means that it's increased 200 MB more space. So guys, this was the method to clean the junk of your iPhone forever. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for more awesome content.